Hello, it's Jim Ryerson from Sales Octane, and welcome to Finish Line Friday. Now, whether your sales are up or down right now, there's one thing for sure. You are still proposing, you're still installing, or you're still selling something. Now, remember, before the new year, we spoke about leveraging your sales support team in this process of filling your funnel, because in 2021, everyone sells. And as you show more gratitude for your support team and genuine interest in them as individuals, you're going to earn the trust you need to ask them to help you in the process. Now, this could be your installers, your office staff, those folks who design layouts or develop proposals for you. In all cases, everyone needs to get involved in the sales process. And today, I want to share an idea with you about how to begin leveraging your team in upservicing or upselling. Now, we call the process find it, share it, sell it. And while your team may not actually take an order, they can certainly position you for the second and the third step in the process if they can find opportunities up front to upsell or upservice. And because most of your support team will be a combination of a kinesthetic learner, a visual learner, or an auditory learner, this process needs to start with you identifying for them what to look for and what to listen for when they're completing their work with the customer. So write down what they should listen for and then find pictures of what they should look for. This is going to equip them to find opportunities for you. So between this week and 2 weeks from now, create a list of visual indications or comments a customer might say that are clues that this customer or someone the customer knows may need what you sell. Now, there's more details on video 303 on Shot of Octane to get you started. And please, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel by clicking the options below. And have a great weekend, and I'll see you at the finish line.